Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Valentine's chocolate bark, only way. Melt 12 Oz dark chocolate in a double boiler, stirring until glossy, then spread onto parchment to 1/4 inch thickness. Add toppings while chocolate is warm, gently press nuts, fruit, and candies so they adhere. Chill the bark until firm, then break into rustic pieces. Store in an airtight container to keep flavor and texture fresh for sharing. Start by preparing toppings: chopped pretzels, freeze-dried strawberries, and pink candy hearts. Melt chocolate slowly over low heat or in short microwave bursts to avoid scorching. Pour on a prepared sheet, smooth with an offset spatula, and sprinkle toppings in a pleasing pattern from edge to edge. Tap the sheet gently to release air bubbles and ensure even contact. Chill briefly until the chocolate is fully set before breaking into pieces to serve. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat while you bake. It keeps your ride smelling great and your mood light. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Combine melted white chocolate with a small spoon to create thin ribbons, then drizzle across set dark chocolate for a pretty marbled effect. Use a bench scraper or sharp knife warmed under hot water to slice cleanly, or crack by hand for rustic shapes. Add a final sprinkle of flaked sea salt or edible glitter for sparkle and balanced flavor. Package pieces in cello bags, tied with ribbon for easy gifting and a charming presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.